promise I'll take you to leave from before. I'd just like to thank my wife, who without her I wouldn't be here tonight because she drove. Just not quite sure how I'm getting home though. Pterodactyl Helicopters. We're a team of really enthusiastic pilots and ground crew that consider the customer service as the key to everything. And that customer service award we won earlier is probably the most important award that we'll ever get, because that's what we strive for. We do the extraordinary, and we do it every day, and we do it in Ipswich. Who would have thought 10 years ago that there'd be a helicopter company in this city? Who would have thought 10 years ago we would even be a tourist destination? Look at us now. People... Tourism Bounds Queensland have brought out a new innovation strategy for recognising excellent tourism product across the state. It's called the Best of Queensland. It will be rolled out in the new year. When they first rolled it through and evaluated every tourism business in the state, out of 900 odd businesses, we were one of 8 that got 100%. Only Ipswich tourism organisation that got over 80. So we're putting Ipswich on the map, but I have to say that without the help of the tourism people and the council, Michael, where are you? And the rest of the team, you guys do an absolutely brilliant job, which makes what we do so much easier. So if you're looking to go and get pissed with us, come on a pub call and do a wine tour. We'll give you a day out you won't soon forget. Thank you, Chamber, for having us. I was born and bred here as well, and I'm proud to be doing our business here. Thank you.